Alright, people, then what's good? It's man like Jamo. Today we're out here with the 140cm standing desk from the guys at Vinsetto. You can get it on AOSum, and I'll put the link in the description section below. They sent this down for me to just show you guys what it's saying. So let's get it all unboxed, see what's like goes where kind of thing, and then get the thing built up, innit? People them, so this is everything now that is out of the box. Looks like we got a little toolbox over here. Don't know what this thing is, but this thing is there as well. We got a little, what's this say, electric power supply kit. Some of these must be legs, some of them must be feet. I can see that this one's got like the motor for the table on it to make it go up and down. It's all looking kind of mad at the moment. I can't lie, I might actually have to read the instructions. Anyway, let's see how far I get on. Alright, people, them little quick update. The legs are done. The legs are done. That took me like, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes. Little Allen key thing, and the screws are obviously like little Allen key screws, so that's all good. Now I just gotta put the legs on top of the tabletop, and that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, and I've got to connect the motor for the standing and sitting motion. So yeah, shouldn't be too bad, fam. And people, them, I guess that is it, fam. That is the standing desk doing its thing. I haven't actually transferred my stuff from my normal desk to my standing desk yet because it's looking so clean right now, and I'm actually going to use it to do some product videos. Starting off with this Acer laptop here, but yeah, just to show you it rising again. Let's put it onto the maximum setting. As you can see, it's rising. The motor's not too loud. I mean, if you're using it, it's likely that you're awake anyway, so that shouldn't really be an issue. But yeah, fam, there you go. It's doing its thing, rising up. When you disconnect it and reconnect it as well, it stays in the same position. I used to have an old standing desk that used to reset position every time it lost power. So if there was a power cut or anything, it would go down, which was kind of annoying because sometimes I would leave my desk at a certain height and put stuff underneath it. And if the stuff underneath it was taller than the minimum height that this desk, was going to go to, then it would just cause an issue in it. It would start bumping around. So this one doesn't do that. It just stays at the same height. Pretty happy with it. Can't lie, pretty happy with it, fam. Looks nice and premium. It's not breaking the bank. I think it was like literally under £150. That's actually decent. Some of these desks are like £900. Right, now we just fast forwarded a couple weeks now where I've been actually using the desk for maybe actually a month and a half now. And yeah, no issues at all whatsoever. I don't think in my initial video I properly explained how these buttons work. So you got 4 presets that you can set yourself to different heights. So say for example, I've got 4 on like 100 and something, 110. So it shows you what height it's going to go to. And then obviously it just takes its time going to that height. One thing you got to obviously bear in mind when you're doing standing desks is you have to make sure the cables are able to, run the length of the monitor to the PC down there or the whatever you're connecting basically when it's at its full standing length. Because once you put that down and you put it up again, it starts to become a peak situation. But yeah, so those preset buttons all over here, these are all working, no issues as well. Got that one, number 1 sets it all the way back down, and that's all cool. One thing I would say though, people were asking me, is it rocky? So as you can see, I'm kind of pushing it backwards and forwards, and it is rocking a little piece, more than a normal desk would. And I find that the higher it goes basically to its maximum height, the more rocky it is. Whereas when it's lower, it doesn't necessarily rock as much. Like, I'm not saying it's rocking mad, but if you lean on the desk whilst you're standing, you might notice it like rocking backwards and forth. And obviously it depends on how much stuff you got on top of the desk as well. So yeah, use common sense as well. But yeah, as you can see, big 49-inch monitor, everything else on the desk, and it's rising up and down with no issue. Anyway, people, that's the 120cm desk from the guys at Vinsetto. Like I said, I'm going to put the link to where you can copy it yourself in the description section below. If this video helped influence your purchase decision, let me know in the comment section, and make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this.